Ever wondered what the best foods in Barcelona are? Barcelona, a city brimming with culinary treasures, is a veritable paradise for food lovers. From the bustling markets to the quaint tapas bars, every corner of the city has a tasty secret to uncover. In this gastronomic journey, we'll delve into 5 of Barcelona's signature dishes: the explosive potato bombas, the seafood symphony of paella, the humble hero botifarra, the delightful duo of charcuterie and cheese, and the unbeatable classic patatas bravas. So brace yourself for a tantalizing journey through the streets of Barcelona. First on our list is the potato bombas, a true explosion of flavors. Originating from Barcelona's Barceloneta district, these bite-sized delights are a unique blend of mashed potato and minced meat, all encased in a crispy coating. The real magic, however, lies in the fiery brava sauce and alioli, the perfect companions to this dish. Their presence at tapas bars across the city is testament to their popularity. Once you have a taste, it's easy to see why these little potato bombs have become such a Barcelona favorite. Next up is paella, a symphony of succulent seafood and saffron-infused rice. Born in Valencia, paella has made a name for itself worldwide and is a culinary icon of Spain. Every grain of rice is a treasure chest of flavor, married perfectly with a medley of seafood. The magic of paella lies in its communal nature. Gathered around the pan, friends and family share this delightful dish, evoking a sense of togetherness. A visit to Barcelona is incomplete without a hearty plate of paella. Now let's delve into the world of botifarra, a humble yet flavorful sausage. Originating from the heart of Catalonia, botifarra spins a tale of simplicity and tradition. Crafted from select cuts of pork and seasoned with salt and pepper, it's the epitome of uncomplicated excellence. Whether it's gracing a plate of mongetes or nestled within a warm bread roll, botifarra adds a touch of Catalan authenticity to any dish. Botifarra proves that sometimes the simplest foods can be the most satisfying. Our next stop is the delightful duo of charcuterie and cheese. Barcelona is a haven for meat and cheese lovers, boasting an impressive array of local varieties. From the savory Iberian ham to the rich and creamy manchego cheese, each bite is a testament to Catalonia's culinary heritage. These delicacies are more than just food, they're a celebration of tradition and craftsmanship. Paired with a glass of Catalan wine, there is no better way to end a meal. Last but not least, the unbeatable classic, patatas bravas. This dish is a beloved staple in Barcelona's vibrant tapas culture, adored for its crisp potatoes smothered in fiery tomato-based bravas sauce. These spicy potatoes are the perfect accompaniment to any meal, anytime. There you have it, the best foods in Barcelona. From the explosive potato bombas to the unbeatable classic patatas bravas, each dish tells a unique tale of Barcelona's vibrant culinary scene. So go ahead, subscribe to our channel now and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Barcelona food?